My name's Adam Liao, and I guess my cooking style is pretty simple, but it's also reflective of my history and my family and how I feel about food. My mother was born in Singapore and goes back here about 4 or 5 generations. And my father's side of the family is Hainanese, and Hainanese food has had a very strong influence on what we see as Singaporean cuisine today.
My name is Malcolm Lee, and I'm the chef and owner of Candlenut restaurant here in Singapore. I cook Peranakan cuisine. It's a old traditional Singaporean style of cuisine, a fusion of Malay and Chinese flavors and techniques, but just done with a slightly kind of modern approach to it.
The Singaporean food scene is easily one of the most exciting and passionate in the world.
There's so many types of cuisine we can find here, and pretty much any time of the day as well. And I think that really shows how diverse, both in terms of the width and the depth of the cuisine that we have here.
There is absolutely something for everyone. You know, if you want to go to a high-end fine dining restaurant, if you want to go to the cheapest possible good eat that you can find in a hawker centre, no matter what you like, Singapore has something for you.
I feel we do share a connection in terms of our Asian background and the food that we do, and it's just very exciting to be able to come together to just exchange ideas, to come up with something really delicious. Do you want to use this for the stock or not?
Yeah, we should.
Let's try it out. Yeah. Let's get one. Like crispy white base on top.
Oh,
so got
yeah,
that extra like texture.
Focusing on Hainanese chicken rice and chilli crab, and just seeing the similarities between them and how we can interpret those dishes to have a menu that I think really celebrates the shared passion for food that Australians and Singaporeans have.
We just hope that people would enjoy what we create.